Hi guys, I am architect Ankit Chaurasia. I will be making videos related to architectural field which will help the student of architecture in the life as an architect. In today's video, I will be sharing 5 most important things you should remember before going for an internship in an architectural offices. As long as you go out from the college, you should work for at least 3 to 5 years in an architect office to obtain knowledge and experience before you could start off your own. The information you have collected so far has to be converted into a practical wisdom. This is called an experience. There are the big architectural offices, then there are the medium sized offices and small offices as well. There are the advantages and disadvantages of working with any of them. Much depend upon you. Your attitude during this period of time shall to collect as much as information as you can. So here are the 5 most important things you should remember before going for an offices. Number 1. Egoism. Not all but most of you carry an air of egoism, feeling overconfident about the information and love toward the modern architecture. Every young generation considered itself wiser than the previous one. Old timers, as they called. Number 2. Time is important. Time is the most important aspects in an architect offices. There may be not the same type of work pressure all the time, but whenever there is a work, complete the work given to you as fast as you can. It will be a personal skill of working faster and without mistake. Try to learn the two words, accuracy and efficiency. You must learn to balance the both. Number 3. Disgruntled soul. Do not get into an habit which many of the junior architects and interns do of thinking your boss, the main person of your office, does nothing himself. He only has his time with meeting with people, eating, traveling and make you work. This is a sign of a disgruntled soul. If you came across one, it is not as advisable to keep his company. Number 4. Habit to work. In your college days, you have been working very hard, keeping late nights for summation. Try to maintain this habit of working hard. It is useful. Number 5. Happiness in life. Before I end this information, I suppose it is of immense importance to say something about happiness in life. Happiness, as it is said, is a state of mind. When a person is happy, he finds everything around him cheerful. But in the same surrounding, a person next to him is unsatisfied, sad, finds to be everything a gloom. Fortunately, you are all going to be an architect and there are umpteen opportunity for you to enjoy the pleasure of creation. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe.